Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a fun and practical unboxing. I've got two big parcels of storage boxes, and I'm really excited to see how they turned out. My little helper is joining me too. My son is here to give me a hand as we open them up together. If you've been looking for storage solutions or just enjoy satisfying unboxings, today I'm going to unbox a kitchen storage box. I bought this storage boxes in Flipkart for 357 rupees in big billion days. It is especially for kitchen use. It contains 12 storage boxes with 500 milliliters storage. It's very useful to neatly arrange cooking essentials like spices, dal, and pulses. The box is compact and user-friendly in design. Since it is airtight, it helps to maintain freshness for a long time. It's easy to handle, easy to clean, and comes with a space-saving design. It looks very beautiful. I liked it. I'm giving the link of this product in community post. Please check it out. Now, my son is going to open the next parcel. This is a 6-compartment plastic storage box. It comes with 6 boxes inside. The plastic is of really good quality. Let me show how to arrange and fix it. This storage box is a bit small in size, so we can store small things in this. We can keep medicines, makeup items, clips, scrunchies, and even small-sized books in this storage box. It can also be used in the kitchen to store vegetables. It can be used as a toolbox as well. We can also keep mobile chargers and stationary items in it. If you want to buy this storage box, I have given the product link in community post. Please check it. I have arranged my makeup items, nail polish box, clip box, and scrunchies box in this storage box. I have also kept my Bible, songbook, and diary in it. The main reason I bought this storage box was to organize my books that were scattered on the table and my makeup items. Personally, I really like this a lot. Do you like it too? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends and relatives. Subscribe my channel, then only you will get notification of my upcoming videos.